The Accel Air 1 air packaging machine represents a revolution in packaging. This small industrial packaging system allows you to make air cushions and bubble wrap on demand. Create your own inflatable product protection when and where it's needed at the push of a button. No more wasted space storing bulky packaging materials and dealing with messy and environmentally unfriendly packing peanuts. Operating at speeds of up to 9.5 feet per minute, the Accel Air 1 has a quick warm-up time of only 3 minutes and has an energy-saving automatic sleep mode, turning the system off after 2 hours of non-use. The Accel Air machine is dependable, portable, easy to use, saving both money and storage